Welcome back, everyone. Awesome to see you all again. Tequila Jimmy, the Green God.
Hi, guys.
Back to react. Today, we are revisiting Saiseiga. Saiseiga kicked ass. Last time we checked them out, we checked out a song called Jumbo.
Yes.
Really heavy and a blast. A blast to listen to.
I really
if
like
you haven't
that
heard
band.
it, go listen to it after this.
Yes. So
You're going to love it, I promise.
Oh, big time.
This one is being brought to us by our supporter, Gordon.
So, Gordon, thank you so much for bringing
Thank you,
another song
Gordon.
back to us.
Yes, Saiseiga kicked ass, and we are super excited to check out a new song by them. This is actually the lead track off their new album, he said, right?
Yeah, Black Hole
Is the name of the album. The name of the song is Strange Rain.
Strange Rain, and it's a lead track off their album, their newest
Black Hole,
album that just came out in November 6th.
November 6th
So
it
if
came
you guys
out.
didn't
So
check it
hasn't been
out,
long.
check it out. And he says this song freaking rocks.
Yes. Yes, it does.
Yes.
I haven't even heard it, and I can already tell you it rocks. So let's listen to this.
I am so ready.
He also says he's really fond of Reagan.
Oh yeah, totally
The lead
obsessed
vocalist.
with Reagan, and I'm obsessed with the fact that her name is Reagan because I love it.
The Exorcist.
The Exorcist.
Are you ready?
I'm so ready for this. Bring it to me. Give it
Why
to
you do
me.
this to me, Demi?
What? Joy, you do this to me, Demi.
She does it a lot better than I do. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay, serious.
This is serious business. Listen to those fucking growls. This shit is dropping hard. The guitars are so low.
This is a great song,
and
Gordon.
all over the place on the time signatures, and then it's got the guitar like lead licks, man, that are just, if you guys listen for them, super melodic, man, really cool. And then her vocal over that really big part, that shit is just like, woo, you almost start floating. And
This
shit.
is just insanity.
Man, this is fucking rad.
I don't know how to dance to it because the tempo changes
It's
are
so-
so
it's all over the place.
changing. So
All over the
yeah,
place.
this is another one where I'm like dancing like this,
Yeah.
and then I'm like, wait,
But that makes it so awesome because
exactly.
it's like you're going off to this crazy fucking low rock and
then
and it's like it's exactly they're sliding you around like a big carnival ride or something.
Oh, it's so crazy good.
That
And
shit's fucking awesome.
Her voice is so good. Those growls.
The growls, my God, the growls. Sounds like they have something demonic locked up in a cage.
Her name is Reagan.
Trying to get out.
Her name is Reagan.
Yeah, Reagan, dude, Reagan.
Dude.
The power of Christ compels you.
Oh, I love her voice.
Shit.
Oh my God.
You ready?
Yes. Nobody
Shit, I
sent
need to
her
get
The
some more of this,
Exorcist.
man.
Nobody sent
My
her the
blood is pumping.
I love this so much. Okay.
Ready?
Oh my God, look at it. It's so much more to go.
Yeah.
I love
This
it.
is a nice long song. Sweet.
Thank
Me likes,
you,
me likes.
Gordon.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. That was filthy, man. That was filth. Wow. Dirty. Wow. It's just so that bottom end on the bass on that guitar. He had a little bit of a fuzz going on the bass too. A little bit of gain on it. It's like sounds a little staticky when he hits it.
Yeah.
The notes. I love that bass sound, especially in heavy music like this. You know, that's what's making that shit drop.
There's so much.
That shit kicks some serious ass, man.
The parts where, like, you know how, like, the video got white, like, with the white screen with all these things, and they went, like,
with the weird shit. Yeah, I know.
That was so cool.
That was really cool. It's just, the whole song had a lot of really cool changes in it, and a way to keep you, like, engaged. It wasn't like the type of song where you have, you know, the verse, chorus, pre-chorus, chorus, you know.
Yeah.
And then some kind of outro. It just kept you fucking going like in the dishwasher.
It
not
was.
dishwasher.
It was just crazy. It was just crazy. And then in the middle, all of a sudden it slowed down. It was like really sweet.
Beautiful, yeah, and really nice sounding.
Beautiful.
Really nice sounding.
Her voice.
The whole band kicks ass, you know.
It's just so
really
crazy,
cool
awesome.
Guitar player too. Kicked some serious ass.
The
doing all
drummer.
kinds of cool shit there. Drums.
The
The
bass
shit's
player.
fucking badass. This is definitely something you can crank
Oh
and
my
just
God.
step on it.
And
You know what I mean?
Yes.
Crank and step on that
Just,
shit.
that's what I was thinking. I'm like, this is a great song to drive to.
If you
Like,
see some
just
blue and red lights behind you, keep going.
Keep going. No, you're gonna get people in trouble.
Don't pull over. you're going way too fast. The fine's gonna be huge by this point. So just keep going and just go big or go home.
No, don't listen to him. You stop.
This was a blast. This was a
was so
blast.
good.
Gordon, thank you so much.
I hope people are clicking in and viewing this one because
Fuck
if
yeah.
you didn't, and thank you for staying until the end.
Start
because
clicking.
You know this was so good.
This shit kicked ass. Anybody who clicks on this shit, even if you clicked on it when you sneezed, you went, "Achoo," and you clicked on it, you know, and by mistake,
exactly.
and you fucking the second it starts,
You know you were hooked.
you're in.
You were
You're
hooked.
in. You can't leave. You
No,
can't.
Gordon, this one was such a banger.
Shit, you could even forward through all of the bullshit we talk in the beginning. Just go straight to the song.
Just go shoot the song.
How about that?
It was so good.
We loved it. Thank you so
Love
much for
this.
this one. The rest of you, if you would like to support us, check the link in the description. Buy us a coffee. We love it.
Yes, we love it because
Loving the coffee.
loving the coffee.
Mochaccino.
And please like and subscribe. Please, 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 please,
Pearly,
please.
please.
Please. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye, guys.